Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I would like to show you how to make Thai basil chicken. It's very simple and easy, quick recipe which is delicious for you to try it at home, and especially for dinner menu. Let's get started cooking. So here it is, all the ingredients which we need to make Thai basil chicken. Let's start with kaffir leaf, garlics, chilies, basil, soy sauce, oyster sauce, black soy sauce, and sugar, each 1 tablespoon, and chicken, salt and pepper. First I'm gonna basil mash the garlic and Thai chilies until it's smooth, and then we're gonna fry it. Heat the pan and pour a little bit of oil, around 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil, and then we're gonna stir fry the garlic and chili until the smell comes out, and then we're gonna add the chicken and mix it all together until it's well combined and the chicken is cooked and softened. And then we're gonna move on to kaffir leaf, which I have cut it into thin pieces, and then I'm gonna pour the black sauce, which contains 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of black soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then we're gonna add fresh basil leaf and a little bit of Thai chili, and just mix it all together, saute it until everything will combine, and cover it for about 5 minutes, and then add a little bit of salt and black pepper as required. Alright, and let's set it on the plate, and here it is. It's delicious basil Thai chicken, which is very delicious and easy, also quick. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. I hope you guys like my video, and hit the thumbs up button and leave the comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe me on my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. So this Thai basil chicken is perfect to eat with hot rice and a sunny side up fried egg. Alright, along with some fresh cucumber. Okay, I'm set it on the plate. This is how it looks like. I'll assure you that this is delicious for you to try it at home, eating with your family, on dinner menu or lunch. It's up to you. Alright, thank you so much. Please click the bell button so you will get notified whenever I post a new video. So thank you for watching. I'm gonna try this chicken. It's yummy. It's so delicious. So good. You should try it at home. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz everyone.